Told me to check out a building where we might place a vending machine. This is where we had my very first vending machine, but remember, we moved it out of there because there wasn't enough foot traffic. But now this building is getting a bunch of upgrades, and if you don't remember, it's corporate offices. A lot of new people are moving in here, and we have these new AI coolers that we're looking into that we're possibly gonna get. So we might place it in here. Let's go check it out and see what it's really like. Let's go inside. Flashbacks. So my first vending machine, fully stocked, new business. So let's go.
Hi, Ryan.
Tenants, good sign.
What up, man? Long time no see.
Sorry, Rico.
Nice to meet you.
Gil, nice to meet you. All right, guys, we're gonna go check out the lunchroom. This is where we're gonna place a smart cooler. Lunchroom. A little smaller than expected. Check this out. Whoa, closing that. I'm trying to think where would we place a vending machine. I'm thinking this corner. I need you guys to let me know, is this a dub location? Should I switch? Should I not come here? So let's get it. We're expanding.